Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are officially on day 18 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him series. This has been the greatest 18 days ever. I'm really hoping that you all are enjoying this journey. I'm hoping that you all are liking these ideas and that you are going out and getting them before it's too late to get them under your tree. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up if you're truly liking it. Make sure you guys are also pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm uploading. Guys, we have not missed a day in 18 days. I don't see us missing the next week. We have exactly 7 days till Christmas, 6 shopping days left. So let me help you and let's go on this journey together. If you're still confused on what to get and you don't know what to do, go back and check my other 17 videos. Those videos will help you find exactly what you're looking for. Shout out to Terralux Fits for the jumpsuit. I hope you guys realize that's what I'm wearing today. Thought I'd be a little bit more festive and actually wear one of the things that I highlighted for you guys. For today's idea, I wanted to have something for all the guys who are a Mario fan. Now, this could be gamers, this could be guys who love the movie, all of the above, if I'm being honest. But you guys know I love diversity in everything that I wear, and that's even talking about sleepwear. I've highlighted some dope slippers from Black Paris, but I want to show you guys these Mario Brothers slippers. Look at these. Guys, they're meant to mimic the piranha plant from Mario Bros. These things are so unique. Can we talk about just the holding case for them? It's literally meant to look like the piranha plants from the Mario Bros. Yo games and movies. These are a focal point of your room. When I tell you that most of the time I don't even want to wear them because I don't want to ruin them because of how dope that they look, I mean it. Even though that these are probably some of the most comfortable slippers I've ever had. So obviously it's supposed to be the piranha plant. Both slippers are both halves. These are foam slippers. They mold to your feet and stay like that. These are comfortable. They're reliable. They're nostalgic. And honestly, the most important thing, they're machine washable. These are the best slippers for someone who is a huge Mario fan. I find myself looking at these and wanting to get the pajamas, the robe, and everything else just because I got these. They're everywhere because when the Mario movie came out, these became one of the hottest things online. And when I tell you they're worth the buy, I mean it. The piranha plant style is such a unique idea for slippers. I have never seen something this creative, and I honestly think that if you have a gamer or a Mario Bros lover in your house, this is the gift for them. I am all about cartoon apparel. Y'all saw that when I had the Looney Tune Converse, the Fila Rocco's Modern Life, and recently with the 25 Days of Christmas with my One Piece Vans. So you guys know I am all about nostalgic clothing. So that's why I think this is such a unique gift to put under the tree for that guy. Guys, we're talking $25 for these. Simple gift, get it by Christmas. These are the perfect gift. Now, if you're gonna do this, I would say, which is why I also want to show that a great Target robe for him is a great idea as well. Guys, if you're gonna go ahead and get him these slippers, go ahead and get him the whole sleepwear. Get him a robe, get him the pajamas, put it together as a set. Pajamas and robe with the slippers, or just a robe with the slippers. You don't need anything crazy, like it doesn't need to match. Like I said, this is just a normal robe from Target. Go ahead and get him this set. As I've gotten these, I found so many people wanting to have them. So I think this is a pretty good one. Even if he doesn't wear them, just to have them and sit in their little holder is more than enough. I think these are so cool. I want to know what you all think about these. Would you wear them? Are you happy that they're machine washable? And what do you think about them? Are they as unique as I think that they are? Let me know, because you guys know I always think that maybe I'm just too excited about something. It was a short video because I really just wanted to highlight these. I didn't want to take away from these. I wanted to really highlight these by themselves, let you guys know there are so many different places that you can go to get these and not pay more than $25. If you like this video, like I said, I know it's fast, but if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're also subscribed to this channel. Hit that bell so that you get my notifications, so that you don't miss any videos from my 25 days of Christmas, as well as from here on you won't miss any videos. I want us to be on all these journeys together. Make sure you guys are going back and checking out my previous 17 videos. It is not too late to get any of those things that I have highlighted already throughout the last 17 days. I cannot believe we only have 7 days left till Christmas. We have made it through all of this 18 days, and I appreciate each and every one of you for continuing on this journey and watching these highlights with me. I appreciate the brands for reaching out and showing so much love. I couldn't do this without you all, without the brands, without all of it. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much. That's it for today. So as always guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.